Yeah. I heard yes. They're keeping an eye on you. Okay. Let's look. Look at that. Somebody's wanting to start over with you. They're wanting to come back and give you an offer, but they're worried. They can't sleep because of the fact that there was deception. And see, somebody put themselves in a situation to where they're not happy. You know, they're not happy in some type of like living situation, or it's some type of like home, family situation. But also they're feeling like they're not going to be able to have stability with you. So I'm seeing that it looks like a decision was made. Tell me more. But they're not positive. Why are they not positive about this decision that was made? Yeah. They made a decision to basically deceive you, mess up. Like, they went towards someone else, this love interest, this ex, right? Now they're realizing they made the biggest mistake, because in the past they were juggling. They had more than one option, you know? And now they're trying to eliminate those options. They're trying to get away from this person because they want to come back to work things out with you. But see, I do feel like you guys cut them off. I told you, it's like y'all went y'all separate ways. You're like, I'm not dealing with this. Somebody could be dealing with an air sign, Aquarius, Gemini, or a Libra. Tell me more. Yeah. Somebody's not listening to their intuition here. But I'm seeing healing. I feel like you guys have been healing. If you were the ones that, you know, were done wrong by this individual, you guys have just been healing. You're moving forward. You're like, you know what? I deserve better. Because I'm telling you, you let this person go. But I do feel like they want to come back to work things out with you. Yeah, they're going to rush back in, but I feel like there's still some type of hesitation because there was a lot of, like, harsh communication between the two of you. You know, I feel like this person could have said some really foul things to you, and you, of course, lashed back out like, excuse me, who are you talking to? You know, it's like, it's just been a lot. But I'm seeing that they do want to rush back in to give you this offer. Yeah, but see, look, the way the Ace of Pentacles just laid, it's like, they're going to give you this offer, right? Because here it is. They want to give it to you, but they don't know if you're going to take it. They messed up. See? They made a decision. And it landed perfectly on top of the Knight of Swords. I'm telling you, they made a decision to rush in. They're coming back. If they're not here already, this person is coming back because they don't want you to cut them off. Again, I'm seeing an air sign. You guys could definitely be dealing with another air sign. Aquarius, Gemini, or Libra, but then Scorpio just came out. Whoever you're dealing with, I feel like this person, they're in their head big time. It's even the way the Death card came out, because I feel like 1 minute, it's like they're making changes, right? They know what they need to do to work on things, to fix things with you, but at the same time, they're afraid that they're not going to have a chance with you. They messed up. Tell me more. Yeah, see, they're afraid that things aren't going to improve. But, again, they're having to let go. They got to let go of this third party, and they know it. But, see, yeah, they're going to let go of it because they know that it didn't bring balance. Somebody could be dealing with the Sagittarius. But, see, they're still going through their lessons, Gemini. This is why they haven't moved forward just yet, because they haven't released themselves from this person just yet. Somebody could be dealing with a fire sign, Aries, Leo, or Sagittarius. This is either their ex or this is a family member here. It could be their mom. Somebody was interfering here, and this is the problem. See what I'm saying? And this is why they're worried. They're worried right now. Gemini, here you are. They're worried about you. You could be dealing with another Gemini. I told you I kept picking up air. So they love you. They want to be with you, but there has definitely been some interference here. And it's like they're hoping that when they come back to give you this secure offer that you guys won't look back at what they did in the past, and you'll give them the opportunity to prove it to you that they can be consistent. They only want you. Somebody could be dealing with an earth sign, Capricorn, Taurus, or Virgo. Yeah, I'm telling you, they're not confused anymore, Gemini. They're coming to you, but they're just isolating themselves right now. Could be dealing with a Virgo. Tell me more. Yeah, they're isolating themselves because, yeah, they're thinking, they're like, you know, I played this person. I was playing around, but I do want to rush back in to give this person a brand new beginning, you know, and so, all right, hold on, y'all. Somebody, this isn't for everyone. For some of you guys, this is for some of y'all. It's not for everybody what I'm about to say. Somebody felt stuck in a situation with this ex, this love interest, because there was like a pregnancy or there's a child here. And that's why they're hesitating, because they want to be with you, but they felt bound. They felt stuck. They felt obligated to this person because of a child, whether it's their biological child or this person has a child and they just got, they have this attachment. So this is why they were kind of back and forth. Like, I know I'm not happy here, but I feel like I have to stay here, That's for some of y'all. For others of you, I do feel like they want to rush in because they do want to have a new beginning with you. But even though they know that there's a future that can take place between the two of you, they cannot stop thinking about the mistakes that they made in the past. And that's the problem. Like, this person is really in their head right now. And even the sun tried to come out. So that's what I'm saying. Like, for some of you guys, I feel like there is a child or children involved. See? The way the Four of Pentacles came out, it's like they do want things to improve with you, but they don't know if it's going to happen because, they didn't balance things out with you before. Somebody could be dealing with a Capricorn. Clarify the Devil, please. They scared. Yeah, there's some fear here. And I feel like for a lot of them, they didn't balance things out because they were in something toxic. I feel like they were in something very codependent. But see, the seeds they planted with you, they do want them to grow. But yeah, the truth. They're going to have to come and speak their truth. Or there's some type of truth coming out. Yeah. They're going to tell you that they do want to start over and build something with you, Gemini. But somebody's going to have to remove themselves from a family situation. Or maybe for some of them, they're afraid that you don't want to have a family with them anymore. You don't want to move things forward with them. Somebody could be dealing with an earth sign, Capricorn, Taurus, or Virgo. But I feel, Gemini, you're picking up on this energy of the Queen of Pentacles. It's like right now, you're just focusing on you. And see, and this person knows that you're moving on. They're afraid that you're going to reject their offer. See, Three of Cups just tried to come out. I'm telling you, because of this third-party situation. Somebody could be dealing with a Leo, but it's like they just don't have the strength to say anything to you because they're regretting their actions. They're regretting putting themselves into this situation. And they're feeling frustrated because they feel like they lost you for good. And that's why they're not talking. There's little to no communication here. Yeah, so you guys aren't talking to this person right now. Whoever this is resonating for. Could be dealing with a water sign, Pisces, Cancer, or Scorpio. Look at that. This is definitely your person. Oh my gosh. Y'all are definitely dealing with a soulmate or a twin. But whatever it is, the fact that I have the King and the Queen of Cups here, and they're both looking at each other, it's like you both want to be with each other. You both are sad that it's not happening right now. Even though you don't want to admit it, your person is not admitting, like you guys are holding it back. You both want to be with each other. It's just been a lot of mess that's been taking place. And then it's kind of like, I don't know why the Queen of Pentacles just caught my eye just looking at this. You see what I'm saying? It's like, this is your person. You two want to be with each other, but this person up here has been standing in the way. And it could be something, like I said, with financial obligation. Like, this person wants money, whether it's a man or a woman. It doesn't matter. But, yeah, see, look, Six of Pentacles. Your person wants to balance things out, but they're having to give to someone else. They've been giving to someone else. Another six tried to come out. I'm telling you, this is something revolving around family. It is, because another six just tried to jump out. And I caught it. It's something pertaining to family. But see, they don't want you to walk away. They're trying to figure this out. Look at that. I don't know why. Your person is trying to heal from something. They're getting out of this situation that they feel stuck in because they do not want you to walk away. But at the same time, like some of you guys could be dealing with a Cancer. I'm feeling like this person, they're not moving forward just yet. Why? The Hierophant. Some of them could be married. Some of them could be in a relationship. And it's like they're just trying to get this together. But I'm telling you, they want to have something with you. You could be dealing with a Taurus. Let's see. Clarify the Hierophant. Yeah. They got to tell you something. They have to speak their truth. About this third party. Yeah, see what I'm saying? They're either in a relationship or they're married to this person. Some type of like obligation. Tell me more. Yeah. And that was the holdup. Look at that. 5 of Cups reversed. It's like, yes, they're healing. They're coming out of being sad. But at the same time, the hesitation was always there because they know if they left this person, they were going after them. They're going to go after them financially speaking. But at this point, they don't care because they want a new beginning with you. See? They're removing themselves from this third-party situation in order for that to happen. Look at that. They're clearing away obstacles. Gemini, your person is coming. They're coming because they want happiness with you. Clarify the sun. But it's like you don't know this because they're not speaking their truth. They're not telling you anything. They're not putting in the work. They're afraid that they're not going to have a new opportunity with you. But I'm seeing that they did make a decision. They're not confused. They're not going back and forth in their head, about it. Because they want stability with you. But I feel like they're going to have to give to this person. And it could be, like I said, marriage, a child. They live together. It's something with them. This is why they're worried. See what I'm saying? They're having to get out of some type of legal situation here. And it's something with money. I'm telling you. That's the problem. That's why it's like they're taking a second. That could be why they're talking to friends, trying to get advice. That even, honestly, could even be a lawyer. They're talking to someone. See? They're making changes right now. Some of you guys could be dealing with a Libra. But they're afraid that things may not improve with you. Because before, it's like they were juggling. And now they're trying to figure out what to do because they were being very immature about how exactly to handle the situation. They didn't do things the right way. All they had to do was be honest, but they didn't give you that. So now they're stressing out because they're losing hope that they're going to be able to offer stability to you, that you're willing to hear them out. Somebody could be dealing with an Aquarius. Somebody also could be dealing with an Aries. But right now, yeah, they're not taking a leap. They're not taking this. Yeah, they're not taking a leap. They're scared. I'm telling you, they're scared that they're not going to be able to work things out with you. They're feeling. See what I'm saying? There's 2 sixes here. I'm telling you, it's something pertaining to family. Whether it's like they have a child or children with someone, or it's like their mom, dad, sister, whoever. It's something pertaining to family. This is the problem, and that's why they're like, okay, he or she is not going to take me back. I know I'm not going to have a victory. Like, they're in their head right now about this. This person is very stubborn. Their ego and their pride is really in the way. Tell me more. Yeah, see? Because they had you waiting in the past. They don't want you to wait anymore. They're coming out of that energy, but they can't help but to think about how they just left you in the cold. That's the problem. See? And it's like, they're feeling stuck in this situation. They haven't freed themselves just yet. And that's what I was telling you guys in the beginning. But there's communication coming in. They're going to talk to you. Tell me more. And they're going to be confident. But they're back and forth with the King of Wands. Somebody's dealing with a fire sign. Aries, Leo, or Sagittarius. But I feel like, yes, they're going to have the confidence to come towards you to speak their truth. But Spirit is saying right now, they're still dragging their feet a little bit. Yep, they're moving slow. They're moving slow to come towards you because, see, even with the Ace of Cups here reversed, it's like they're afraid that you're not going to take this offer because they put you through a lot. All right, Gemini, that was your reading. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye, Gemini.